back to my channel. I'm going to show you all how I installed this wig. I was sent from Modern Show Hair or MS Hair. They sent me out their 18-inch water wave wig in a 150% density. I did go in and cut it. As you can see, I tried to show you all me cutting the hair in the beginning of the clips. I wasn't successful because I needed to see and I could not see in the viewfinder. The reason why I cut it is because the wig is on 150% density, so it wasn't thick enough for me. And then also the length, I got an 18-inch. Since the density wasn't, I don't know, it just was at an awkward angle for me. But after cutting it, it just gave it so much, you know, there's so much sass and jazz and stuff, and I really like it. I did a flip over, I didn't do a part. Again, this is the water wave 18-inch wig. I cut it into like a bob length. But yeah, y'all, if you want to see how I installed this wig, be sure to stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so this is how the wig looked, like combed out, so it doesn't look too thin. But I went ahead and cut it. Like I told you, I didn't get a lot of clips of me cutting it, but I preferred it cut better than how it was, because when it's wet, it's not thick enough for me. I did use Got to Be Freeze spray to apply my wig. I'm using my blow dryer on cool to set and dry the Got to Be Freeze spray. Okay, for my baby hairs, I've been using Gorilla Snot. I've been trying that to see how I like it, but I did use that for my baby hairs on today. To give a little definition to the waves, I'm just using water to define them. I knew once it dried I was going to, like, you know, comb it out to make it look bigger, because I didn't want the hair to look too flat. I wanted it to be like fluffy and a little body-ish. But I do hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you did like it, be sure to let me know down below. And I'm going to talk to you all in my next video. Love y'all so much. Bye.